になっている。The grammar of ことになっている is mean to be expected to, or be scheduled to, or it has been designed as a rule that, something like this. Be expected to, be scheduled, or it has been designed as a rule that, something like this. And in Japanese, when you use the grammar of koto ni natteru, you can use with the verb in dictionary form and the verb in noun form or the negative presentation form. And you can use with the noun. But when you use with the noun, you should follow, after noun, you should follow by toyu, right? Toyu koto ni natte imasu. So something like this. So what you have to remember about this, you just remember that you can use with a verb in dictionary form and noun form, and the last one is noun. But when you use the noun, should followed by toyu, koto ni natte imasu. And when you use koto ni natteru, you can use koto ni natteru or koto ni natte imasu. It just had the same meaning. So don't be confused when you see like this in Japanese. Koto ni natteiru or koto ni natteimasu had the same meaning. So the next, let's go to see some example of how to use the grammar of koto ni natteru. The first example. 日本で車は左側を走ることになっている。日本では車は左側を走ることになっている。Which means, in Japan, cars drive on the left side of the road. In Japan, cars drive on the left side of the road. You see that in this sentence they use koto ni natteru with the verb, right? In dictionary form, hashiru, right? Hashiru is mean drive, it mean run, right? Or you drive your car, right? Hashiru is mean run away, something like this. And hashiru is mean the dictionary form. You change it with the muscle hashirimasu. Hashiru koto ni natteru. That means it's the rule in Japan, so you can use like this. Hashiru koto ni natteru, right? It's the rule. It's the rule in Japan that, and it's the truth that in Japan that when they drive the car, they drive in the left side of the road, not the right side. And the next, 60点以上が合格ということになっている。60点以上が合格ということになっている。Which means, it has been decided that over 60 points is a passing score. It has been decided that over 30 points is a passing score. So you will see that in this sentence they use gogaku as the noun, right? Gogaku is mean passing. For example, pass the examination, something like this, right? So when you use the noun with koto ni natteru, it means you should follow by toyu, right? So in this sentence they say gogaku toyu koto ni natte iru. 60点以上が合格ということになっている。It means that if you got 60 points over, so you can pass the examination. So when they use Kotoninatteiru, when you use the Kotoninatteiru, it means that you talk about the rule of some organization or of the country, right? For example, the first sentence in Japan, right? Car drive on the left side of the road. This is the uh, law. Is the law of Japan, right? In Japan, if you drive car in Japan, you must drive on the you must drive your car on the left side of the road. So something to be rule or to be law of the country of some organization, you can use Hashiru Kotoninatteiru. And for the second sentence, we see that 60点以上が合格ということになっている。Which means if you got 60 points over, so you can pass the examination. That means that is the rule of some organization, some school, right? So you can use Kotoninatteiru. So you should remember that when you use Kotoninatteiru or natteimasu, that means you're talking about some rule. Okay. So let's see the next example. 休むときは学校に連絡しなければならないことになっています。学校と休むときは学校に連絡しなければならないことになっています。Which means you must contact your school when you take a day off. You must contact your school when you take a day off. In this sentence, they use the verb, right? In night form, right? しなければならない is mean the night form. And our verb in here is mean 連絡する、right? 連絡しなければならないことになっています。It means this is the rule of the school. So when you take the off, you should contact to your teacher, to your school, or the organization that involved about you, and tell them about that you will take it off. The next, この会社では毎朝仕事の前にラジオ体操をすることになっている。この会社では毎朝仕事の前にラジオ体操をすることになっている。At this company, it is to be expected that there will be radio taisou, morning stretching every morning before work. At this company, it is to be expected that there will be radio taisou, morning stretching every morning before work. This means that every morning, this company they will do morning stretching, right? Every morning. So if you do something always do something, that means that to be your performance, right? That's to be your operation. If you are the company, that means your rule, right? That means your rule of some organization. In here, our rule is the rule for this is mean that you have to stretching every morning for this company. So something like this you can use to be Kotoninatteiru.